Job seekers and employers. Today's special news, sponsored by VSK Business Consultants, focuses on the dynamic and rapidly evolving Indian job market, with a strong emphasis on the projected growth and transformative trends anticipated for 2025. This information is provided solely for knowledge purposes and should not be used for any other purpose. Please share this special news with your friends and office colleagues. A critical component of this evolution is the explosive growth of digital marketing, significantly impacting job seeker availability and shaping the employment landscape in India. The Indian job market is experiencing a seismic shift, driven by a confluence of technological advancements, evolving industry demands, and a renewed focus on skill-based hiring. For fresh graduates and seasoned professionals alike, the message is clear: continuous learning and adaptability are paramount. In 2025, the landscape will be defined by those who embrace technological evolution and proactively enhance their skill sets. For freshers, the traditional path to employment is undergoing a radical transformation. A degree alone is no longer a guarantee of a coveted job. Employers are increasingly prioritizing practical skills and hands-on experience in emerging technologies. Proficiency in areas like artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, cybersecurity, data analytics, and crucially, digital marketing, is not just an advantage. It's a fundamental requirement. The digital revolution has rendered many traditional skills obsolete, making it imperative for aspiring professionals to invest in continuous learning and skill development. Online courses, certifications, and project-based learning are invaluable tools for acquiring the necessary expertise. Similarly, experienced employees must recognize the urgency of technology updation. The concept of lifelong learning has transitioned from a theoretical ideal to a practical necessity. The relentless pace of technological change means that existing roles are constantly evolving, and new roles are emerging, demanding a deep understanding of cutting-edge technologies. Employees who fail to adapt risk becoming irrelevant in the rapidly changing job market. Upskilling and reskilling initiatives are no longer optional. They are essential for career survival and growth. The Indian job market is witnessing a surge in demand for tech-savvy professionals, driven by the growth of sectors like IT, e-commerce, digital services, manufacturing, and of course, the burgeoning digital marketing sector. The adoption of AI and automation is reshaping job roles, emphasizing the need for employees to possess both technical proficiency and soft skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and communication. This dynamic environment necessitates a proactive approach to career development. The digital marketing boom in India is creating a plethora of opportunities. Increased internet penetration, smartphone usage, and the growth of e-commerce have fueled this demand. Specializations like SEO, SMM, content marketing, and data analytics are highly sought after. Businesses of all sizes are leveraging digital marketing to reach wider audiences, driving the need for skilled professionals. This sector's accessibility for freshers, through online courses and practical experience, makes it a significant player in the job market. Employers, too, must adapt to this new reality. They must invest in training and development programs to ensure their workforce remains competitive, especially in digital marketing. They must also create a culture of continuous learning, where employees are encouraged to embrace new technologies and acquire new skills. The ability to attract and retain top talent will increasingly depend on an employer's commitment to employee development. Furthermore, the rise of the gig economy and remote work has created new opportunities and challenges. While these trends offer flexibility and autonomy, they also require individuals to be self-motivated, disciplined, and adaptable. The ability to manage time effectively, communicate clearly, and collaborate virtually are essential skills for success in the modern workplace. In 2025, the Indian job market will be characterized by its dynamism, competitiveness, and focus on skills, with digital marketing playing a pivotal role. Both job seekers and employers must embrace this new reality and proactively adapt to the changing landscape. Continuous learning, adaptability, and a commitment to excellence will be the keys to success in the years to come. VSK Business Consultants, your partner in navigating the evolving Indian job market, encourages both employers and job seekers to stay informed and adapt to these dynamic changes. This information is intended solely for educational purposes. To stay ahead of the curve and receive the latest updates on job market trends, technology advancements, and career development strategies, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, and connect with us on Facebook and Instagram. Please remember that information provided through these channels is for knowledge enhancement only. We provide regular insights, expert analysis, and practical advice to help you navigate the ever-changing world of work. Stay informed, stay ahead, and unlock your full potential with VSK Business Consultants. We understand the importance of timely and accurate information, and we are committed to providing you with the resources you need to succeed. Join our growing community and empower your career journey today. Please remember that the information shared is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial or professional advice. Please share this special news with your friends and office colleagues so they can also benefit from this important information.